Hey guys, what's up? This is Theo here, and welcome to Lesson 5 of the Responsive Web Design certification here on Free Code Camp. In this one, we'll be doing lessons 21 to 26. So let's go ahead and get started. So this is use clockwise notation to specify the padding of an element. And we've sort of discussed this before, but basically instead of having to do padding top, padding right, padding bottom, padding left, we can sort of take advantage of this logic pattern right here, where this is going to be the top, this is going to be the right, this is going to be the bottom, and this is going to be the left, right, the west. So they work like a clock. So let's go ahead and do this. Use clockwise notation to give the blue box class padding of 40 pixels on its top. So let's go ahead and do that. We'll do 40 pixels on its top and left side, and 20 pixels on 40 pixels on top and left side. So we're going to do 20, and 40 pixels. Cool. And that should get it. Let's go ahead and run that. Good to go. All right. Next one, guys. Use clockwise notation. Same thing. We're going to do it with margin. So give the element with blue box a class a margin of 40 pixels. So here we go. We're going to do 40 pixels, 20 pixels, 20 pixels, and 40 pixels. Let's go ahead and run this. Good to go. Number 3, now use attribute selectors to style elements. So maybe if you've ever wondered, how do I target whatever type of, so this is basically going to look through basically the HTML page or whatever on our browser. Inside of that HTML, we're going to say we want to target anything that has this attribute of type radio, and we're going to give it a margin 20 pixels. I wonder if this actually works with, I'm going to say div hello. I'm going to try out something. I'll just say radio, and what we can do here is we can give the checkboxes and cat photo up a top margin. So here we go. We're going to say type equals checkbox, right? And we're just going to give border 2 pixels solid red, and make sure this actually works. Checkbox. Alright, corresponding value, checkbox. Let me just see, maybe it might not be picking it up. Okay, yeah, so that works. I just want to try something right here on this div that I made. Where is it? Did I get rid of it? Type. Maybe I did get rid of it. Let me just try one more time. We'll say type equals. Yeah, it looks like it does work. That's pretty cool. All right, cool. So what I want to do is give these a top margin of 10 pixels, 0, 15 pixels, 0. Let's go ahead and run this. Good to go. And now we'll be on number 5, absolute versus relative units. So again, the relative units are more responsive, ems, rems, right? So add a padding property to the element with class redbox and set it to 1.5 em. Okay. So let's see. Where we get looking, redbox. And what we want to do is add padding, I want to say 1.5 em. So we can sort of see it's gotten this, and you can read over this basically, but tie to physical units. For example, inch and millimeter refers to inch and millimeters. Relative units are relative to another length value. M is based on the size of an element's font. If you set the font size property itself, it's relative to the font size, right? So now if we change this to font size 8 pixels, we can sort of see it's going to go up as we change this, right? Now if we change it to 4, it should be a 1-to-1 ratio. Cool. So let's change this to 1.5 em. Or sorry, let me change this 1.5 em. Go ahead and run that, and we are good to go. So I believe that is, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. style the HTML body element. So we'll do this last one. And your body element background color of black. So we'll say body. I want to give it background color of black. Format that with prettier. And there we go. And maybe if I just want to just take in the body right here, we'll say hello. And color is white, right? And we can sort of examine this real quick with inspect element. And let's go ahead and run this. And let me look one more time. Here it is. And we can sort of see body is that. So that's it, guys, for this one, list 5. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.